Hi, so yesterday I attempted to buy the Hobbit movie, or rent it I should say, off the Microsoft Windows 8 video app, and basically it wouldn't get zip past the 0%. It just kept giving me an error message and saying I cannot download this. So naturally I contacted Microsoft support. I did it via chat. I let him remote access my desktop. An hour and a half later, not only can I not download my video, but I can't boot into Windows. So yeah, fantastic job there, Microsoft. Thank you very much. So anyway, the upshot of this naturally is that I needed to do a Windows 8 refresh. So I basically needed to reinstall everything. And the upside of that is that whenever you perform a refresh of your system, it moves all your old operating system files and program files into Windows.old. So if we look in here, we've got program files, program data, users, and Windows. So yeah, before you do anything about this, you need to go through these files and make sure there is nothing that you need. Now I've already done this, so I can just remove the folder. So obviously my first instinct was just to highlight it, do a shift and delete to skip the whole recycle bin business, then click on yes, and now it's administrative permissions required, so I'm clicking on continue. Now I'll let it do its calculations and it will come up with an error message. Like so. So basically it's telling me the folder access is denied, so I'm not allowed to make any changes even though I just applied administrative permissions. So yeah, if you've just done a Windows 8 refresh and you're losing a lot of hard drive space, and this is almost certainly the reason why. So the question now becomes, how do I remove this folder? What you basically need to do is go into Start and type in administrative. So go into Administrative Tools, then select Disk Cleanup. OK, let it do its calculations and things. So initially, once the program comes up, you've got this mode, which just gives you all the usual disk cleanup things. Now what I actually need to do is clean up system files. So if we click on this one there, and eventually you'll get this little box here with C, so OK. And it will then do a rescan. Now as you can see, it's scanning things like previous Windows installations, and that's what we're really looking for, is it's the removal of those older installations from the hard drive. And once all that's done, we now have a slightly different version of what we had before. Now as you can see, we now have previous Windows installation, 103 gigabytes. So basically that's what I want to remove. I'm not going to worry about these for now, so I'm going to remove those ticks there, and I don't need to worry about thumbnails for the moment. I can come back and do it again, but this is the big chunk of data I need to remove from my hard drive. So click on OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Yes, I am. And it then begins the cleanup process. And through the power of video editing, you can now see that I'm almost finished with the cleanup. So it's just a matter of sitting there and waiting for the progress bar to finish. And I will now go into my drive, and as you can see, I no longer have a Windows.old, and my hard drive is considerably less full. So that's just freed up quite a lot of space for me. So there we go, that's how to get rid of your old Windows installation using Windows 8.